The whistle I lack echoes over the diamond surface of the ridge. Morning light, champagne picnic. If it were just a dream, this side is a little spring day. That's right, dreams have everything, but this sunshine is too tempting. Just as this year's autumn tiger is about to end, why not take advantage of the good weather to go for a picnic? Oh, by the way, this is the new member of my family, named 5 Million, with the nickname Little 5. Please take care of him from now on. Seasoned rice balls are convenient for carrying outdoors. The preparation is also very simple. Use ketchup, salad dressing to create a strawberry color. Mix well, then add the filling, which includes smoky bacon. Once both sides are golden brown, cut them into small pieces. Place bacon inside the rice ball, then add some rice to wrap it up, using the space between your thumb and 2 fingers to shape it like a strawberry. The calyx of the strawberry is replaced with the top of a green pepper. Cut off about 5 centimeters from the top. Scoop out the seeds and cut out a few small points. This way, a flower stem is ready. However, remember to wash your hands immediately after cutting the pepper, then blanch it in hot water for a moment before taking it out. Wrap the rice ball with white sesame seeds to resemble strawberry seeds. Dip the green pepper top in ketchup, then stick it onto the strawberry head. The little strawberry is ready. Thick omelette is essential in a bento, and I prefer a sweet flavor. Adding some sugar will also make the eggs softer. Cut into small pieces and set aside. Spread Greek yogurt on the toast, then layer it with your favorite fruits to make yogurt toast. Finally, let's see what else to bring. For snacks, I happen to have taro chips and sweet potato chips at home. I prefer this simple flavored vegetable snack, as it aligns better with the picnic theme. The clearly visible meating patterns are crispy and not greasy, making you want to scoop up the freshly cooked taro with a spoon. Sweet potato chips are naturally sweet, and as soon as they enter the mouth, they cause a crazy secretion of saliva.